Hello guys, good morning. And today we are going to analyze gold for this week. And we are going to start our analysis with the help of weekend. And before that, I would like to welcome to our channel SVP Trades here. So let's begin now. Here I am going to draw some support zone. This is a support zone, and in our previous week analysis, we made that this is a weak candle. Like we have expected, it formed some double bottom. I will show you here again. In our analysis, we made that this kind of pattern it's forming. So it acting as a first bottom and it acted as a second bottom. Similar, this is a neckline. So we have seen a strong bullish candle here, and I was holding around 140 to 150 pips on that day, because I know that there is a strong, I have seen that there is a movement in the market and some pattern, some edge which really works most of the time. So after that I have seen a strong bullish movement here, and I'm holding around 150 pips. And then, like, I think on Friday there is a news at 7 p.m. So I was while I was holding 140 pips, I'm aware about news at 7 p.m. So I cut all my position before that. At 2-3 minutes before, I have closed all my position, because market going to create a huge impact over here. So there might be a huge volatility in market. Due to that, I have expected it, and I have just cut all this my position. And now I want to show that how this we going to expect. So we don't know exactly what happens in next week. So here we can say that as of now we can expect there might be a fall up to this zone, and it again act as a support over this zone around 2024, and this might be a again 2060 might be a good target, and we'll get more precise with the help of day candle. Yeah, so here day candle represents, like, it's showing that this is going to be our support as of today. For today's analysis, we are going to take this support zone, and for long period of time we can see this is like it's showing a trend, and since we are observing this trend line, this is an upward trend line where every time the price coming to this trend line, it acting as a support, and it's ranging in this zone. While similarly we can draw the same downward trend line in opposite direction. So in opposite direction we can say there is a breakout. We have seen this a clear breakout, and after a breakout we have seen there is a price came to this zone around where it broke the zone. So here we can expect that again there is a good bullish market for today's market, or today, tomorrow maybe. Let's hope for that, and let's see some pattern with the help of Xauusd candle. So we can see here it acting as a support zone, and once if it forms like double bottom here, we are going to take. And now, as of now, we don't have any proper indication to take trade. So I think there is like more 2 to 3 H4 candle may decide whether we buy or sell. So I will wait for until that I'll take a position. Yeah, let's go with H1 candle. Let's see how the H1 candle going to work. Yeah, price a little bit here consolidating here, and didn't see any proper movement, and you can see this kind of rejection candle. But the morning news here, we don't have any. Now the market is too slow, the volume is too slow. We don't see any big movement because of we don't have big volume now. So we'll wait for the right moment. With the help of H4 candle, we can decide to whether buy or sell today. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.